seen many years back was Message. And the best movie according to me that has been created in the world, any movie, it is Message. Again, the Message movie, which Arabic is Ar-Risala, the Message movie, it was, the actor was Anthony Quinn. If you ask the fatwa, is it 100% halal? Even the Message movie which I saw, I cannot say 100% halal. Because there was music, there was sometimes ladies being shown which were not properly dressed. But the way it was created, the way it was made is superb. It will surely get a person close to Islam. But yet, I cannot say 100% halal. But if you want to watch a movie, if you're hooked onto a movie, then please watch Message. The Umar series, it was a series of 30 episodes, made few years earlier. It was made by the embassy and funded by the Qatar Foundation. Even that, I've seen that, you cannot say it's 100% Islamic. There was music, there was some scenes of ladies, but as far as Message is concerned and Umar series are concerned, the knowledge in it, the hadith is quoted, the Quran is quoted, it is wonderful. It will surely get a person closer to Islam. There is no obscenity in it. There is not major haram in it. Yes, music is there. And Alhamdulillah, as far as Umar series is concerned, majority of the hadiths are sahih. There may be a few here and there which may be problematic. So the best amongst all, I would say, is you watch the Message movie. If you're hooked on to movies. If you're not hooked on to movies, don't watch Message. If you're hooked on to serial, the best serial to watch is the series of Umar series.